start creating a learning design, we'll go to the Create menu. Now, we've entered on the edCrumble editor, which has different areas that we'll discover step by step, by following the 6 videos sequence about creating a design in the tutorial web page. The first area we'll see on this video is the area which contains the menus for introducing the learning context of our design, the first step of the design process. But, also, the feedback menu, which will allow us to explain how was the experience of implementing the design with the students, at the end of the whole process. Let's start. First, we'll write a name for our design on the left box of the context area menu. Once we've finished, note that we can discover what the other icons mean, by hovering the mouse on top of each icon during a second, and it will appear a short explanation. This works with all the icons of the edCrumble editor. Let's start with the first icon, Design Description. We can click on it to write a short description of our design. Once we've finished, we'll select its topic and its educational level. Note that when we close the pop-up windows in the edCrumble editor, the information is saved automatically. We can access it again by clicking on the corresponding icon, for example, if we need to edit the information introduced before. The next icon allows us to insert the learning objectives of our design. We'll write each objective on the box and then we'll click on the right button. Once we've introduced several learning objectives, we can edit them or even delete them. OK, done. We'll click on the next icon. Here, we can introduce a description about how will be the evaluation of our learning design, if there will be a final exam, its percentage of the final grade, what activities will be graded, etc. Once we've finished, we'll click on the Close button. The next step consists on introducing the number of students for which our design will be. In our example, we'll put 30 students. Finally, it's time to indicate the dates of our design. When it starts and when it ends. By clicking on the icons, a calendar will appear and we can select the dates. Attention! Realize that after introducing the dates, a new element has appeared on the editor, a timeline. Watch the next video to learn how to use the timeline and start creating activities. But before, note that there is still another icon on the context area, the experience icon, which allow us to introduce our feedback of the design implemented in class. We will do this later. We are still designing and we haven't implemented our design with students yet.